green guy living under the bed. I gobble up a sock before you turn your head. Like a bolt to light, make your heart jump. My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump, 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 yeah, bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night. It's Bump with Squishy.
She's my very best pal.
Bump with Molly.
She's my favorite gal. Bump of Closet Monster and Destructo too, but those guys don't bother Bumpy. He knows what to do. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
You can bump with the doll, bump with the bug. Bump on the ceiling or bump on the rug. And you can bump too from the east to the west. Just bump with the monster you love best. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's green dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
My name is Mr. Bumpy, I go bump in the night. It is the 17th day of our grueling ascent of Mount Toide. Our native bearers have fled during the night, babbling something about an abominable snow monster.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Mr. Bumpy has made it! Mr. Bumpy has made it! Ah, it's the abdominal snow monster! Here you go.
Bumpy, take my hand! Alack, for I have flushed my bosom, Mr. Bunny's down the drain. Mr. Bumpy, you're alive! Oh, speak to me, speak to me!
The horror.
Tell me you forgive me for my actions.
No problem, buddy.
But I just flushed you to oblivion and back!
Oh, relax, pal. It could happen to anyone.
I'm not anyone! I'm supposed to be your best friend, but I am nothing but a worthless pile of quivering jelly.
Oh, come on, guy. Let's go get you a life or something.
Bad Squishington! I'm a wuss, super wuss!
Hiya, guys.
A galactic universal generic wuss!
What's with Squishy?
I'm a wuss!
The squishologist is having a bad day.
Please read me a bedtime story.
Oh, all right. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived an ugly frog.
Wuss!
Then, the beautiful princess kissed the worthless frog, and he turned into a handsome prince.
She kissed the frog. Yuck.
Huh? Wait! Stop the presses! That's it. If I get a princess to kiss me, I'll become a prince. And princes aren't wusses.
A prince. Oh, that's so romantic.
Yeah, and if you were a prince, we could hang out in a cool castle with a smelly dungeon and albino cave worms and a slimy moat full of squirming larvae. Ugh, that's a ticket.
Maybe, but where are you gonna find a princess to kiss you at this time of night? No way, guys. I'm no princess, you know it, I know it. I'm well aware of my own limitations. Hey, why don't you ask the PAPs?
The who's?
The prissy American princesses.
Yeah. The cute dolls will kiss anybody.
Oh, even me?
Go on, lay it on the line, squishing over. Spread on the old charm.
Good evening, ladies.
Attaboy, you got 'em right where you want 'em. They're eating out of the palm of your hand.
Ew, what is that smell? Got blown off, huh, guys?
I can't do anything right. I'm pathetic!
I cross my heart and hope to die that you, Squishington, will get your kiss. If we have to climb every curtain and follow every crack in the plaster, we will find your dream. Hello, ma'am. Your shoddy lipstick applications are over. No more creasing, smudging, smearing, cringing, retching, fetching, or hard water buildup for you. Oh, no, Princess. Why? Because it is the revolutionary new Presto lipstick applicator here to save the day. Simply apply your favorite lipstick to the specially designed applicator, pucker, kiss, mwah, and presto! Your lipstick is on perfectly.
Super!
But wait, there's more. The first time is absolutely free. You heard me right. You won't find this extraordinary product in any store. This is the deal of a lifetime.
Ooh, you know, everyone is always telling me, Shane, you have the perfect lips. And it's true, really.
Come on, Princess. Give us a little kiss.
Ow, Bobby! Is that you, Mother? It's a lovely muffler. Did you knit it yourself? Oh, but I got kissed, right, Bumpy? Right?
Sorry, Squish. No sale.
I feel terrible. That would have been a big commission for you.
Don't worry, Squishington. I have a plan that just might work. Presenting His Handsome Royal Holy Highnessness of Princedom, direct for a special limited one-night engagement, here's the Handsome Prince!
I love you, handsome prince.
Today, one of you lucky ladies will get to put a major lip lock on the handsome prince. Are there any volunteers?
No, I know how Charles feels.
Oh, this is terrible. I'm doomed.
Yep. You guys have got it made. I should have tried to become an albino cave worm instead of a prince. It'd be less of a stretch.
Come on, don't look so down in the mouth, Squish of my eye.
Oh, I knew it was too good to be true. I'll never be a prince, just a lowly Squishington.
But that's not so bad. Why, you have festering oodles of good points.
Name 'em.
You're a lovely shade of blue.
Oh, what am I going to do? I'm doomed. Doomed, I tell you.
Calm down, Bumpy. It'll be all right.
But I crossed my heart and hoped to die.
Good point. Either Squishy gets kissed or it's bye-bye Bumpy. I'm so sorry.
Well, you know I'd do anything for the big lug. I'd even kiss him myself if that would help. Now, Molly. Molly, just between us girls, this girdle is chafing and stings.
Sorry, Bumpy dear. You're beautiful, but you need the tummy control. The girdle stays. How's the rest of it feel?
Well, kinda wonderful and eye-opening. As if suddenly I'm getting more in touch with the female side of myself. Oh, I just want to sing to the world of the new me. I am Bumpy. Hear me roar. Well, how do I look? Be brutal.
Oh, you've never looked prettier. My little Bump is all grown up into a beautiful princess.
Really? Oh, you're just saying that. Ooh, but shucks if it's not gospel, honey.
And they lived happily ever after. It just goes to show you that you can't believe everything you read nowadays.
Squishy, there's a princess what's-her-face, Bumpalina, the one from, Modesto. She just flew in and she wants to see you. Hurry, Squishy.
A princess from where? Princess Bumpalina. Never have I seen such a stunning vision of loveliness.
It's because I'm innocent and pure at heart.
She kissed me! I'm a prince! That is how it works, right?
To Prince Squishington.
Bumpalina, we are fated, kismet, destiny. Say you will be mine, and we can live happily ever after. And we shall have loads of babies, droves of children, infinite uncountable multitudes of royal fruits. And you shall bear them for me.
Kiss your girlish figure, arrivederci.
Babies, not this boyo. I feel all hot and dizzy. What's that? Yes, I think I hear my regal mother calling me. Yes, Mama? What was that? I'll be right there.
Don't think that I'm not aware of your every move, Princess. Our souls have fused as one, indivisible. Gotcha! There's a fine line between pleasure and cosmetic damage, my darling. But no matter, for I am all yours, Princess. Do with me what you will.
Safe at last.
Princess, no! The closet box is in there!
Hey, you can't do that to me. I'm a princess, for crying out loud.
Someone help Princess Bubbalina! Wait a minute. I'm a bona fide prince now, and it's my duty to save that princess, even if she does need a shave. Once more into the breach! Whatever that means.
Hooray for Prince Squishy. You did it. You're a true blue hero.
Yeah. Rescuing princesses is all in a day's work for Prince Squishy. Bubby? Hey, what happened to the princess? Wait, there was no princess, just a lump of bump. But that means I'm not a real prince, so how did I just save you?
You were a prince since day one, Squish Breath.
Wow, and no one even guessed.
Don't mind if I do. I'm a wild green guy living under the bed. I gobble up a sock before you turn your head. Like a bolt to light, make your heart jump. My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump, 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 yeah, bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's big dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping at night.
It's Bump with Squishy.
She's my very best pal.
Bump with Molly.
She's my favorite gal. Bump of Closet Monster and Destructo too, but those guys don't bother Bumpy. He knows what to do. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's big dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping at night.
You can bump with a doll, bump with a bug, bump on the ceiling or bump on the rug. And you can bump too from the east to the west. Just bump with the monster you love best. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's big dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping at night.
My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump in the night. Laundry day. The worst day in the universe. Turning dirty stuff clean. Yuck. Oh, I hate laundry day. But I love the day before laundry day. Socks, 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 socks. As far as the eye can see. What is this? A perfect left foot sock. Cross my heart and hope to die if that isn't the most dirtiest, smelliest, full of holesiest sock I ever laid my eye stalks on. Today at least. Gotta have it! Yum, 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 yum. Hey! My dinner! Give me it back! You sticky-fingered, no-good sock-taking sock taker! I got needs! He took my sock. That really burns my bottom. On your mark. Get set. Go. Now I gotcha. Put up your mitts, you mitt, and cough up that sock. Ooh, pull the old tube stick on me, will ya? Two can play at that game. No, that's not it. Well, maybe no, that's not it. Mr. Bumpy fears no big weenie. Do your worst. There's a little sausage humor there. On Gardy! Gotcha! And ha! And ha! Gotcha again! And now, you thieving glove, go fish! It's mine! Ouch! The home court advantage. Now I got you for sure. Okay, Mr. Smarty Fingers. Welcome to my place. Welcome to Bumpyville, the coolest place on the whole planet. So much to see at Bumpyville. So much to do. And all for just a single admission price. So hand it over your hand. Give me that sock. You know, some people just don't know when to give up. Here goes. Gotcha! Well, maybe I don't gotcha yet, but I'm gonna gotcha. Hey, bounce away from me, will ya? Prepare to be captured, you dirty sock poacher. I'm hot on your heels. Fingertips are... whatever. Whew, that was a close one. Nothing comes back from behind the dresser. No! Great. Now nobody can have it. Poor little sock. Plucked so cruelly before its time. And more importantly, before my dinner time. Perhaps its passing will create a bond of friendship between the two of us, where once was only rivalry. What? Mine. Mine. The sock is mine! Out of my way, rival! Wish I had longer arms. Or a parachute. Things couldn't get much worse than this. I had to open my big mouth. This is all your fault, you dumb glove! Yeah. Say, this gives me an idea. Just a little further. Come on, climb up. Okay, now, pull me up. Thanks, pal. You saved my bacon. Hey! Oh. No good double-crossing, backstabbing, rat-finking, snake in the grass, and lousy five-finger filching good-for-nothing glove. It's payback time. Cough up the sock. I'm warning you, no more kid gloves. Kid gloves? Oh, so cute. Hey, I didn't want that old sock anyway. As a matter of fact, I guess I didn't want that one either. Much. You know, I'm just getting to be a big softy. Goodbye. Arrivederci. Sayonara. And if you ever need a helping hand, you know where to go. Oh. Hey, can someone lend me a hand?